Shall we install the most incredible system of Joomla 3.1? Go to the page www.joomla.org and click Download. On the new page, click Download Joomla 3.1. Save the file on your PC. Connect to your server via FTP, for example FileZilla, and upload the Joomla file you downloaded on your website. File is now copying on the server. Now, I'll show how to set up a database in cPanel needed to run Joomla. Search the icon of MySQL Database Wizard and push that button. Enter the database name and click Next Step. Enter your username. Type your password. Enter the password again. Click on the User Creator. Tick all privileges. Remember this name and the name of the database. Click the Next Step. The database is already made. Open the cPanel homepage again. Now we'll unpack the package of Joomla 3.1. Click the File Manager and go to the directory where you have downloaded the file. Select the file and click Extract. Confirm the file's unpacking. Click Close. Reload page. These are the files of Joomla 3.1. Enter the address of your website. The installation folder has been opened. In most cases, it will automatically select your language installer. I'll change my language into English. You, too, can do that, or use your own language. Step 1. The configuration. Enter a name for your site and a description of your site. Enter your email. Give your administration login. Username allows you to log in to your Joomla control panel. Enter the password. This is the password of the administrator. Click Next. Localhost is typically the local hosts, unless otherwise specified by the server administrator. Enter the database's username. Remember how you created it a few minutes ago and I asked you to remember it? Enter a password. Now enter the name of the database. Click Next. Leave the default settings here if you want to have just a blank Joomla or install the sample data. Uncheck for Yes if you want to receive future configuration data on your mail address. The configuration mail will contain the data. At the end, you have to check the server settings. Click Install. Now you can set up Joomla in your own language. Click the Install language. Find your language. You can select multiple languages if you want to build a multilingual website. Click Next. Languages are added to your website. Now, most important thing, choose the language you want to be part of the Joomla administration, preferably your own. My language is Polish, but I will choose English. Similarly, you have to make it the default site language. That means to select the language of the page. Click Next. Congratulations! You have just installed Joomla. Now, we must delete the installation file. Click the Remove Installation folder. You can now sign into Joomla Administration panel. Click Admin. To sign your username in the username field and password. Log in. This is your Joomla 3.1 admin panel. If you want to preview your page, click here. In the next section, I will show you how to create the first article.